Have you ever wondered about Chinese princess training? Join me and unlock your inner dragon. 5 Qi Gong dance forms with Reya and Sisu. This video you will discover the ancient art of Qi Gong that Princess Reya would have studied and the dragon form Sisu would have recommended. Watch the demonstration of the 5 dragon forms danced in flow format, followed by a tutorial teaching you how to perform the dragon forms. But it does not stop there. At the end is history of Reya, Chinese dragons, and Qi Gong. Hang on for a wild ride. Remember to like and subscribe and check out all of our feature films at adventuresindance.com. Step 1, opening the gates of heaven. This is a great Qi Gong warm-up. Twisting right and left, let your arms just come across and hit in the center of your body. Dragon arms and dragon serves tea. Right side, dragon tea. Left side, dragon arm. Left side, dragon tea. Right side, dragon arm. Dragon arms and dragon tea or plates. Add a turn in between. 1, 2, 3. Hand in, over, around, behind, in front, and open. 1, 2, 3. In, over, around, over, under, and there you are. Flying dragon, simple. Ball in the center, left hand out, bring it through yin and yang, and out. Come back to center. Right hand out, come through your yin and yang, and out. Now, for added bonus, you can lift your leg. So we start. Bring in your ball of Qi, swing it out. Bring in your yin and yang, and lift your leg. Bring your ball in, swing it out. Bring in your yin and yang, and lift your leg. Swimming dragon, hands up, come down to heart level. Look left, hands right, through center, across the bottom, through the middle, across the heart, up and down. Bring your hands up above your head, bring them down to your heart. Take your hands to the left as your head goes and hips go to the right. Bring the hands and the hips in opposition as the hands change direction. Bring them down to the next lower circle and heads and hips in opposition. Flip the head of the dragon over, bring it down, across. Bring it across the center, fold it. Bring it back up to head level and across center. Bring it over your head, relevating up on your toes, and then come back down, hands to heart, and when you complete, drop your hands. Reya and the Last Dragon is a lovely journey into Chinese lore. Sisu, the water dragon, would be familiar with Qi Gong, form of swimming dragon. This dragon-like meditative martial art is a perfect fit for Reya. I put 5 dragon forms together in a dance sequence for Reya and the Last Dragon, Sisu. Do you believe all dragons to be devious? In Chinese lore, there is a story of 4 dragons who disobeyed the emperor to give water to the people.
Their penance for disobeying the Jade Emperor was to become the 4 rivers and provide water for the people for eternity. This is one of the Eastern legends that was the inspiration for Sisu, the water dragon. Just like this legend, the dragons in Reya and the Last dragon sacrificed themselves to save humans. Reya is the princess of the Heart tribe. She is the strong daughter of the king and a trained warrior. Reya would have extensive training in martial arts, and all martial art training is developed from Qi Gong. This meditative form of martial arts training is beneficial for peoples of all walks of life and abilities, and fit for a princess. Qi Gong can be traced back 7,000 years. It is an ancient meditative form of breathing and gymnastics. Many of the forms are said to be rooted in dance. It is no secret that warriors of many cultures studied dance for agility in battle. Qi Gong is graceful and loaded with healing benefits. Keep reading to learn about the benefits of knocking on the door of life, dragon arms, flying dragon, and swimming dragon. Knocking on the door of life is our opening exercise. Ming Men is the door or gate of life, is the gateway through which the energy flows. This easy exercise is good for bolstering your immune system. It breaks up stagnant energy in the kidneys through swinging of arms around your body to knock on your kidneys. Dragon arms is an arm-focused move with many benefits and multiple names like balancing plates and dragon serves tea. It is traditionally used to open circulation in the entire body, lubricate joints, and strengthen core muscles around the spine. It can be done seated or standing. I chose the standing version for both underarms and behind the back variations. Flying dragon, Qi Gong, is a cleansing form. All dragon forms use a twisting of the spine to loosen it and let your spinal fluid get to the brain. As a dragon form, it is an eternal therapy with meditation that can cleanse the mind, body, and soul. For swimming dragon, Vivian Chu describes it best. The secretive technique involves intricate body movements where practitioners twist and turn their bodies, emulating the graceful motions of a dragon emerging from water. This mesmerizing display of fluidity earned it the name dragon swimming technique. Moreover, during the practice, the hands trace 3 consecutive circular paths in front and to the sides of the body, creating a visual representation of interconnected rings. As a result, this art is also referred to as 3-ring technique, though the combination of these movements accumulates strength, agility, and harmony with the principles of nature. Remember to like and subscribe and check out all of our feature films at adventuresindance.com.